Today we'll be checking out our Magento 2 Hyperlocal Mobile application. So now you can convert your Magento 2 Marketplace Hyperlocal store into a fully native mobile app for the Android and the iOS devices. Using the Marketplace Hyperlocal native mobile app, the customers can easily buy product from the nearest available stores. Apart from that, the sellers on the other hand can manage their online store, set shipping area and delivery rates via the mobile app, and that too on the go. So in today's video tutorial, I'll be taking you through the workflow of this particular Magento 2 Hyperlocal mobile app on the customer front, and in the next video we'll be checking out the seller account options that we get within the Webkul Hyperlocal mobile app. So right now you can see that I've already downloaded and installed the Webkul Hyperlocal demo from the Google Play Store for my Android platform based mobile device. So before proceeding further, please do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive the latest updates from our end. And if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. So right now I'll be opening up the Webkul Hyperlocal mobile app by tapping on the app. First of all, we'll see this particular splash screen, and then we need to allow the Webkul Hyperlocal demo to access our device location. So I'll choose it as Y only this time. And here you can see that we have the home screen of the Hyperlocal mobile application with banners, hot deals and other sections. As you can see, at the very top we have this option of the location, as you can see, and there's an option to change the location. Now the customers can change their location in three different ways. One is by entering their location, second one is selecting location on the Google Maps itself, and the third one is the current location using the GPS system itself within your mobile device. So to enter your location, you can tap here on the enter your location, and you can start typing in your address, and then you can choose your address, and then you can see that the particular address would be saved and the location would be saved there, and according to that you'll be able to surf through the different categories, different banners, and the rest of the options available within that particular location, if that particular location falls in the radius of the multiple sellers there. Now to change the location, once again I'll just tap here on the change button. Then I can choose the second option, that's the select location using Google Map. That will open the Google Map. As you can see, I can pin my location anywhere I want, and then on the bottom end you can see that we have this location address, so I need to tap on that, and accordingly you can see Tower 2 Sector 16 Palm Olympia has been selected, and according to the selected location I'm able to see the categories, the featured products, hot deals, new products and much more. And the last option here is the current location using the GPS system. So if I tap on that, my current location right now, that would be used as my location. As you can see right now, E17th 4 Avenue, B Block, Gore City, and according to that I'll be able to check the products within this particular locality. Now this was the very top wherein we can change the location for the Hyperlocal app. Then here we have the shop by categories. So these are the carousel. This is the carousel for the categories, and from here the customers can tap on any of the categories, and they'll be able to find the complete listing of products within the same, and then they can access any other products that they want to purchase by tapping on the product, and they can find the details of the product, like the name of the product, the price, whether it's in stock or not, sold by seller name, a contact seller option is there. If I tap on contact seller, we can directly contact the seller of this particular product very easily by entering the short description and tapping on the submit button. Let's go back, and if I tap here on the sold by, I'll be taken to the profile page of the respective seller. So here's the profile page of the seller himself. As you can see, here are the recently added products by the same. Here are the reviews for the store and the seller reviews as well, and under the more, here we have the shipping policy, return policy, and the contact us right to us option available. So that's how the customers can access the profile of the seller from the product page itself, and how they can contact the seller from the product page by tapping on the contact seller option. Then we have the quantity option to increase or decrease the units of the product. Then we have the details of the product itself. Here we have an add to cart button that adds the product into a cart, and then we can make a checkout. And one more button is there, that's the buy now button, that can be used to directly lead us to the checkout there. So that was how the customers can select any of the featured categories here and can check the products within that. Here we have the featured products, as you can see. Then we have some banners for the offers for you. So banners can be of two types. We can assign a product to a banner, or we can assign a category to a banner. So for the first one, just like coffee roast, if I tap on that, we'll be taken to a respective product page, and from here the customer can choose and make a checkout with the product. Now for the special offers, if I tap on that, we'll be taken to a respective category that has been assigned to the same. Apart from that, the customers can set any product into the wish list by tapping on the heart icon, as you can see, and the particular products would be added to the wish list of the customer there. So that was the home screen and how to select the address there, or the location there. And at the very top, if you see, we have the search icon, notification icon, and the cart icon. So if I tap on the search icon, here we can make 3 different searches. One is a normal search. For example, if I go back, dried dates. So if I want to search for the dried dates, I can enter that up, and that would basically populate the particular product, as you can see. The other way is to make an advanced search. Within the advanced search, the customer can enter the name of the product, any word from the description, short description, SKU, price from it to values, and can tap on the search to make an advanced search for the product there. So for example, if I go to the dried dates product itself, and here you can see that we have the details here. For example, it has the word garnishing. So if I go ahead and enter garnishing here, and then tap on the search, let's see if okay. So that's how you can make use of the advanced search there, and you can make use of the product name, the description word, any word from the short description, its SKU, the price from and to values to search a product. Apart from that, you also have a camera icon here for the search. If I tap on that, you can see search by text and image. Now here what you can do is, if you have text somewhere written or in product image, then you can search that product within the store as well. So for example, if I go for the text, a camera would have to be open, so I'll access that up, and here you can see that it has read the wine and the grape. Now if a product is available within the store that has the name wine, that would be auto populated, as you can see here. So that's how this particular search works by text. And the other one is for the image. If you have an image of the product, you can scan that product image, and the respective product would be displayed within the store itself. So that was about the search thing there. Then we have the notification section here. The admin would have to send the notifications there, and all those notifications would be visible to the customers within the notification section here. Now if I swipe from left to right, I'll be able to see the categories here and the account options of the customer, like the dashboard, wish list, orders, product reviews, address book, and the account information. And here you can see that hello Johnny Doe is already logged into his account. Then we have the categories here, like the bakery products, beverages, dairy products. So from here as well, the customers can scroll to any of the categories and the subcategories as well. They can choose the view of the product listing as grid view or the list view. They can filter out the products using the quantity, price, and they can sort the products as well as per the position, high to low, low to high, product name A to Z, Z to A, price low to high, and high to low as well. So now let me log out of the customer account first. So I'll just tap here on the log out. So to log in, I'll have to swipe from left to right, and here you can see that I have a sign into your account option, so I need to tap on that. So we can sign in with the email, or we can create an account, or we can log in using the social networks like the Gmail and the Facebook there. So if I already have an login email and a password, I can tap here on the sign in with email. I can enter the details and tap on the sign in button. Otherwise, if I want, I can create a new account as well by tapping here on the create an account. And at the time of account creation, if I want to become a seller as well, then I can check this particular, do you want to become a seller or a vendor as well, and then we can create an account. So for a customer only, you just need to enter the first name, last name, email, password, confirm your password, and then tap on the create an account button to create an account. To log in, I'll just log in using the email and the password and tap on the sign in button, and you'll see that we have logged into our account there. Now let's make a checkout. So let's go to the organic issues here. Let's add it to the cart there, and you can see that it has been added into the cart. Let's go back and let me change the location there. So for the best result, this demo has been set up for this top address, so I'll just select that itself. Also changing the address would clear out the cart. Now what I'll do is I'll just go for any other product there. Let's go to this cheese, Gouda cheese, and let's tap here on the add to cart button. Let's go to the cart. Here's the product. If I have any discount coupon codes, I can apply that up. Let's tap on the proceed to checkout button. Here we need to select our shipping method. I'll choose the free one and proceed. On the review and payment section, I'll choose my payment method, that's check and money order, and then I'll tap here on the place order button. So that's how easily you can place an order within your location vicinity, and for the products of the marketplace vendors that are there. And if you fall within the radius of those sellers, then you will be able to check the products as well as place the orders for the products as well. So the order has been placed, as you can see. Now let's go back. So if I swipe from left to right, here we have the dashboard for the customer. Here he'll find the recent orders that he has placed. Under the addresses, he'll find his default billing and the shipping address. Under the reviews, he'll find the different reviews that he has made along with the rating and the reviews. Let's go back. Then we have the wish list. He'll have all of the products that he has added into the wish list to make a purchase at a later time. And from here, he can move any of the wish list products into the cart by tapping on the move to cart button. Let's go back. So under the orders, he'll find the complete list of orders. He can check the details of the orders by tapping on the detail there, and that will bring up the complete details of the order itself. He can reorder by tapping on the reorder. He can review by tapping on the review button, and then he can give the rating, enter the summary, the review, and can submit the review for the approval as well. That was under the orders. Then we have the product reviews. Here we have the complete list of product reviews that he has given. Then we have the address book. Here he'll find the complete default billing and the shipping address. To add a new address, he can tap here on the add new address button, enter the details here, save the address thereafter. And lastly, we have the account information, wherein he can change his email by toggling the button and password as well. And after making the changes, he can tap on the save button to save the same. So yes, that was much about the customer end for the Magento 2 Hyperlocal Mobile App, and I hope it helped you out in understanding the workflow of the same. If you still have any questions, queries, suggestions or requirements, then kindly do reach back to us at support@webkul.com or raise a ticket at webkul.uvides.com. And lastly, thanks for watching this particular video and have a great day ahead.